Hello everyone and welcome back to the Vintage Vacuum Cleaner Deep Clean Test Series. Oh, I've been looking forward to this one. It's time to put the big daddy of the 1990s through its paces. The million seller itself, the Dyson DC01. Here, shown in Antarctica Solo form. I must admit, I am using my ropiest DC01 for this test. As you can see, it's no longer grey, more green. Because with the sand whizzing around inside the cyclone, it's going to do some damage and it's going to start to make it opaque. So I've chosen my least nice DC01 for this. How will it do? How will it fare? There's only one way to find out. Test! Step 1. Thoroughly clean the test carpet with the Shark AX950 UKT. Step 2, weigh out exactly 100 grams of sand. Step 3, sprinkle the sand onto the test carpet. Step 4, agitate the sand into the carpet using a brush. Any sand that comes outside of the game area is pushed back in. And we are ready to test. Right, let us weigh the 01's bin to see what we're starting with. Here we go. Significantly heavier than those dust bags. 832. Let me just write that down. Right, here we go. Is everyone ready? DC01, good luck. You might need it, but I'm not sure. I can't call this one. It's annoying. I can't call it. I don't know if it's going to be good or bad, but let's find out. Here we go. Let's do it. Alexa, timer, 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
Okay, let's weigh the bin. Right, let's see what the result is. 932. Okay. Well, kudos to the dear old DC01 because it actually managed, and this is only the second time this has happened, to pull out 100% of the sand. So, massive round of applause to the DC01 Antarctica Solo. It just goes to show you that better brushes mean better sand pickup. And actually, for once, we can actually see all the sand in the cyclone. There it is. Yes, there it is. No cheating here. Cyclone sand. Beautiful. So, thank you once again for watching. Again, congratulations to the DC01, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.